Look, Paranjpai, Neha has changed her mind once you got a little late. Do you understand that?
No. The shopping should happen.
Yes.
You just tell me about the shop in time. Leave the spending part on me.
Sister, whatever you have decided is not acceptable to me.
Am I doing this all for myself? This is your wedding, so your liking should be taken care of, right? And if you refuse Paranjpai now, then how will he feel? Think about it a bit. And shouldn't we also think about this little Pari? Huh? What do you say, Pari? Don't you need a new dress?
I don't need it.
Are you relieved now? Now stop this topic right here.
Did you see Paranjpai? Our Pari is also like that. Look, she changed her mind for her mom. Do you understand? No? And even our Neha is like that only. I mean, once she decides to say no, then she doesn't listen to us anyone. Now that you are her future husband, then maybe she will listen to you. I'm sure about that. So you should take the initiative and talk to her. Come on.
Miss Neha, listen to me. Don't refuse the shopping. I agree that you want a simple marriage, but we should do shopping as a custom at least.
Yeah, but
Miss Neha, you can take a sari of your choice, even if it is cheap. A nice frock for Pari. What do you say, Pari?
Mom, let's take the new dress.
all right.
All right, then let's leave now.
Right now?
What is the rush?
What are you saying? The marriage is on the cards. Don't waste time now.
We should do it right now. Later we might not get time for this.
But I will have to inform at my office.
Then do it right now.
Shall I speak to your office people?
No need. I will call. Hello, sir. Sir, today I wanted to go out for my wedding shopping. Is it fine if I come late? Thank you.
You got the leave, right? I knew it that you will get it. Because no one say no for a good work, Neha.
All right.
Shall we leave now?
Yes, dear, but let's go home first. I have not locked the door. Come. See you later, Aunt. Hello, Yash.
Yes?
Listen, today I will not come to office.
All right.
I'm going for wedding shopping. Even Pari's insisting.
Wow, nice.
But listen, I will come to give tiffin to you at the office on the way.
Why? I told you, right?
Yes, but I want to give the tiffin to you.
Neha,
Look, I don't want to listen to you. Hang up. Pari, dear, come. Are you not ready? Come fast. Come, we are getting late.
Come on, do it fast. Neha, why so much time? Come
Slowly.
fast.
Why are you rushing so much?
You walk slowly. If you fall down, then there will be an issue. Come. What I'm saying is that we should rush since the wedding is near. Actually, we should have gone to Yeola to buy Pethani. Our Neha said that let's make the wedding a less costly affair. That's why it took so much time, isn't it?
It's a big deal that she has got ready for the wedding.
Aunt, what happened? Isn't uncle coming?
He has gone ahead along with Paranjpai.
Then where should we go?
Banaras? To buy Shalu? Can we go? No, right? Now we should go where Paranjpai take us for shopping, right, Neha? I'm just eager to start shopping. Come on, rush. Come on, little one.
Hi, Yash.
hi Shefali.
You are so amazing, man.
Why?
I mean, you fixed the alliance of Neha and Paranjpai, right?
I didn't fix it. I just helped them as a friend, that's it.
You are such a dark horse, Yash. I wasn't even aware of this skill of yours. As a friend, give me some tips too. I mean, give me some tips so that Sameer sir comes near me himself and asks me that, Shefali, why are you sitting here? Your place is in my heart. You sit in my cabin. And once I get inside the cabin, then the distance between us will reduce on its own. And then the next step will be his heart.
That's all right, but please let me work now, Shefali.
All right, don't tell me. I will ask Neha whatever I want to ask, okay? But why did Neha not come yet?
She won't come either.
Why?
Because she's gone for her wedding shopping.
What?
What is there to be so shocked in that?
Man, her wedding shopping cannot happen without me. And I cannot stay here when she is shopping there. I will have to do something. I will have to go right now. Yash, listen. You also come with me?
No, I will not get leave.
You really have work or you're just not coming as she didn't ask? Alright, bye. I'll see you.
Shefali? Shefali, you have just come now, right? Are you trying to leave? Don't you have any work?
Sir, Neha has to do shopping for her wedding.
Oh, so what?
Sir, I have to go then, right? I should know what is wedding shopping at least, right? Or else during our marriage...
All right, it's fine. You can go. Anyway, Neha will be waiting for you.
So you are telling me to leave?
I've told you already. You're still here. Come on, leave. Go shopping.
Sir, you also please come.
You leave. Go on.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yash, please come here.
Sure, sir.
I wanted to speak something important with you. See, what has happened is...
Yes, sir?
Shall we talk about work?
Sure, sir. I'm very sure it'll be something else apart from work.
No, Yashvardhan, I was asking that should I order something for lunch? I mean, because frankly, I don't think that your tiffin will come now.
The tiffin will come today. I mean, I'd refused her, but still she insisted that she will drop off the tiffin here while going.
How can this happen? She has gone to do shopping along with her future husband for her wedding. And people forget clothes once while shopping. What is a tiffin then?
Listen. I mean, don't worry.
No, I'm not worried. I'm worried about you as a friend. As a... Yes. So, you are the one who should be tensed. I'm just worried for you as a friend.
Sir, don't worry. The tiffin will come for sure.
Look, still I will tell you that I will order food for myself, so I will order for you too, okay?
You don't worry, I've already...
If you interfere again like this, then I will pull your eyes out. This is why I miss Dubai office. Leave that. Shall I not order anything for sure?
No.
I hope that you don't stay hungry.
And Shefali.
Pari, 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 pari. Oh my. I felt dizzy. Mister, will I get water? Thank you. Come on. Now you tell me. What have you decided? What all will you shop?
I haven't decided yet.
You have not decided anything till now. One moment. I have made an entire list. Look at this. I will buy 2 types of sharara, It's the latest pattern. One for henna and one for the turmeric ceremony. And after that, I will buy a sari for marriage. It will be very beautiful and matching, you know.
She
I
is
will take
just
the matching
unavoidable
jewelry
for
and
us.
bangles too. Actually, my list is very long.
Shifali, talk slowly. Everyone is hearing. You don't know how to behave at which place?
Yes, you know it, right? You would have called me if you were going for the shopping.
Okay, come. Everyone is there. Come.
Come, Pari.
One moment, she spoke about Shikara there and I had goosebumps here. Who called her here, huh?
Why are you doing this, Paranjpai? She's Neha's friend. So she will only be the bridesmaid with you two during Neha's marriage.
Buying Neha's sari was okay. Pari is also okay. That uncle and aunt are in the package too. Now there is a friend too.
Who will take my name?
You are also there. You. Why to include you now?
Do you only know how to use the opportunity? I learned everything from you. Neha, I will be right there. Oh my, this sari is so nice. Neha, why are you standing? Sit here.
Greetings, tell me.
Today we have to...
Shop for the wedding?
Oh my, how do you know?
We know it after looking at the boys and girls' face.
Oh my, I'm not the bride. It's her.
Even I was talking about her.
You may be having kurta and pajama to wear at home, right?
Hey, what are you saying?
Are you talking about the jabbas that's worn during marriage?
Yes.
Hey uncle, don't worry at all. You have come to the right place. You will get everything here that you want.
Is it? Then please show 3-4 sarees for me. I like that yellow one.
One
that
moment,
green
one moment. We are here for Neha, right? Sir, please show a good sari for her, please.
I say that Banarsi sari will suit her the most.
No need. I don't want Banarsi sari. Just show me a nice and reasonable sari.
You only get married once, so even the saris should be special, right?
If he's saying so much, then why not to take a look at
The
it?
issue is over as she said that.
Show a sari which costs more than 10,000 rupees.
You didn't like any sari even after showing you so many. I am surprised.
It's her problem and not yours. Huh?
Means?
Now the thing is that the groom has come with us, right? So the groom will take a sari for her, right, Paranjpai?
And it looks a bit expensive too, right?
I had felt it that you will be thinking something like that. But who is your son-in-law here? The big lawyer Paranjpai. Just choose any one sari and Paranjpai will buy it for you. Paranjpai, you don't look at her with so much love, okay? Rather than that, what you do is buy her a sari of your choice. Come here, Paranjpai. And listen, show a sari worth 100,000 or 150,000 rupees.
Aunt Shifali, there is no one around here.
But we are there, right?
But who will show us the clothes?
Uncle, one moment. Hello, Sushant.
Do you know anyone over here?
Uncle, wait a moment. Prashant.
And no one is coming.
We should keep calling different names till someone comes here. At last, one name will turn up.
Are you crazy or what?
Uncle, I'm not crazy. I'm just ready for whatever the situation is. I say that you also try this.
Neha, look at this sari. I liked it. It's nice.
It is the latest pattern. The pattern, style, and color is all the best. Take anyone.
Manish! Hello, Manish!
Yes, coming, ma'am.
Your name is Manish?
Yes. Hey, Sunny, show more colors to ma'am in this pattern. Till then, I will attend that counter.
This girl is amazing. How did she find out his name?
She just hit the bullseye by fluke. You don't pay attention. Do you have a different pattern in this?
There are more patterns, but the price is more.
I asked you the pattern and not the rate. Show me the pattern.
Oh my goodness.
How do I help you, ma'am?
Can you get married?
What is this, ma'am? You are making fun of me, right?
You are working in a cloth shop, right? So, why are you talking about helping me instead of showing me clothes? Stop your nonsense and just show me all the nice shararas in the shop.
Okay, ma'am. We have it in different colors. Okay, tell me which color do you want?
Show me turquoise blue.
Uncle, she said turquoise blue.
Oh my, you also know how to say that word?
I can even find it.
Will you show me the sharara now?
Yes. Here it is, your turquoise blue. Ma'am, I'm telling you that I have seen a customer who is so confident about colors for the first time.
This is not turquoise blue.
I was just about to tell him this.
What are you saying? I am working in this line since so many years. Now will I know more about the color shades or you?
When you mix blue and green, the color that forms is turquoise blue.
Alright, leave all that. You just show me a magenta color.
Magenta?
What is this? You cannot even recognize colors?
Alright, no issues. Show me a charcoal color.
Sir, charcoal means coal. Do we have to tell you that coal is black in color?
Suresh? Suresh? Suresh?
Sir, I'm here.
Yes. The thing is that we feel very hungry. So we order food. Sometimes we feel that it may take time, but then it comes on time. Sometimes we feel that it will come on time, but then it comes late. But
Sir, what is the matter?
whose? Yeah, yes. The matter is that my food parcel has come downstairs. You go and get it.
Yes, sir.
Suresh,
Yes, sir.
hot food has arrived. I mean, like Neha ma'am's food is piping hot. It's the same as that. Go and get it. Get it fast, okay, Suresh? I'm hungry, you know. Actually, it's a time to eat, right? You might also be hungry, right? But your tiffin. Oh. You are waiting for it. My food is here, so I will eat, okay? You wait. You keep waiting. Get it fast, Suresh. Bye. Take care.